Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to connect Apple Watch to Strava. Are you having trouble connecting your Apple Watch to Strava? Don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. 1. Download the Strava app on your iPhone if you haven't already. Make sure the app is updated and you are logged in. 2. Open the My Watch section of the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. 3. Find the Strava app and install it on your Apple Watch. If it's already installed, open the Strava app on your watch. 4. When prompted, authorize Strava to access your Apple Watch data including heart rate. 5. In the Strava app on your Apple Watch, you can now record activities like runs, rides and workouts. This data will automatically sync to your Strava account when your watch is in range of your iPhone. 6. To enable heart rate tracking, make sure you allow Strava to access your health data in Apple Health app on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.